Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through the Sellvia Dashboard and explain each and every section. If you are new to the platform, Sellvia may seem daunting at first, but it is not that difficult. Treat the dashboard as the control center of your store. Here you monitor performance, manage products and orders, launch marketing campaigns, and grow your store. In this tutorial, we will go through each section in order and explain what the section contains, what it's used for, and how it helps you run and grow your store. Let's begin with the first page you see after logging into the Home section. Home. From the home page, you can go to your store and check how it looks for your buyers. Furthermore, the home page acts as a quick overview of your store. Here, you can immediately see the key metrics that show how your business is performing, including total sales, processing credits, and your estimated business value. This page helps you quickly understand the current state of your store without digging into detailed analytics. Scrolling down, you will also find the First Steps checklist. This checklist is especially helpful for beginners. It shows the main actions required to set up and activate your store, guiding you through the platform step by step. So instead of guessing where to start, you can simply follow the checklist and complete each step in order. Orders. This is where you manage everything related to customers' purchases. Inside this section, there are two tabs: Orders and Order Processing. Let's start with the Orders tab. Orders tab. The Orders page shows the full list of orders placed in your store. Each order includes key information such as order status, purchased products, customer details, timestamps. At the top of the page, you will also see analytics and filters that allow you to review order activity over time. This page works as a central place where store owners track incoming orders and monitor how sales are moving. When an order appears here, it can be processed manually by clicking Process Order and paying the supplier's base product price. Once the order is processed, the fulfillment process begins. Order Processing. The second tab is Order Processing. Here you can activate automatic order processing. When automation is turned on and there are enough processing credits in the account, Sellvia actually handles order processing automatically. This means that once a customer places an order, the system can process it without any manual action. For store owners, automation saves time and makes it easier to manage larger volumes of orders, especially when they are offline, asleep, or busy with any other tasks. Sellvia Ads. Next, let's open Sellvia Ads. This section is dedicated to advertising campaigns that promote your products across major platforms like Amazon, Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. At the top of the page, you can see a report that summarizes advertising performance. This includes metrics like ad spend, orders generated from ads, commission, return on ad spend. Below that, the campaign settings allow you to adjust how ads are delivered, including daily ads credits, remarketing options, targeting settings, audience settings, device settings, and campaign settings. This section helps store owners drive traffic to their store and reach new customers through paid promotion. Market. Next, let's look at the Sellvia Market. This marketplace connects entrepreneurs who want to buy or sell stores. There are two main sections here: Buy and Sell. Buy. The Buy section lists stores that are already operating. These are not empty templates. They are businesses with real sales and traffic data. Each listing includes performance metrics such as revenue, traffic history, and store activity. For buyers, this provides an opportunity to start with an existing business rather than building everything from scratch. Sell. The Sell section is designed for store owners who want to list their own store for sale. Access to this section becomes available after reaching certain performance tiers, and stores must be at least 60 days old to be listed. Once eligible, the dashboard shows your estimated selling price. store performance metrics, and listing settings. Store owners can also preview their listing and use visibility boosters to increase exposure in the marketplace. For some entrepreneurs, this opens the opportunity to treat a store as a digital asset that can grow in value and eventually be sold. Premium stores. The Premium Stores section offers fully prepared online stores built around specific niches. Each store includes professional design, niche-focused branding, preloaded products. So instead of building a store step by step, users can start with a ready structure and focus on growing sales immediately. Premium stores are available across many niches such as fashion, gadgets, beauty, home products, pets, and many more. Reports. The Reports section provides detailed store performance statistics. Here you can see metrics like unique visitors, orders, average order value, conversion rate. This data helps store owners understand how traffic converts into sales and how performance changes over time. Services. Next is the Services section. This area provides professional marketing and business services that can help grow your store. There are two tabs here: Get Services and Your Services. Get Services. The Get Services page lists available services across categories like social media marketing, search engine optimization, visibility and reputation, business and brand development. Each service includes a description, client ratings, and a Sellvia score, which estimates performance based on marketing data. This allows store owners to compare services and choose what best fits their growth strategy. Your Services. The Your Services tab shows all services that have been purchased. Here you can track their status and download reports once they are completed. This section acts as a record of marketing and business services used for the store. Insights. The Insights section helps store owners make better decisions based on real platform data. It includes 3 parts: Best Sellers Insights, New Hits of the Week, Sales Success Strategy. Best Sellers Insights. This page displays the top-selling products of the week based on real activity across Sellvia stores. These products can be added to your store with just one click. For store owners, this makes it easier to add products that already show proven demand. New Hits of the Week. This section highlights new trending products that have recently started gaining attention. They show early sales signals and may represent new opportunities before the market becomes too saturated. Sales Success Strategy. The Sales Success Strategy page acts as a store improvement checklist. It evaluates different aspects of your store, such as promotion, branding, search engine optimization, social media presence, product selection, automation. The system highlights what is already set up correctly and what areas could be improved. Products. The Products section is where you add and manage the items sold in your store. It includes several product sources. Add products. This page contains physical product packs organized by niches and categories. These packs are selected based on demand trends and can be quickly added to the store. Digital products. Digital products include downloadable items such as guides, planners, templates, and other digital content. These products don't require shipping and can be delivered instantly. Popular brands. This section contains product packs built around recognized brands. Brand familiarity can increase customer trust and improve conversion rates. Printed products. Printed products allow store owners to add customized items such as apparel or merchandise. Sellvia handles printing and fulfillment. Your products. Finally, the Your Products tab shows all products currently active in your store. This acts as an inventory overview where you can review product packages and the items included in them. Marketing. The marketing section provides ready-to-use tools designed to help promote your store. These include social media marketing, premium blog posts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads, email marketing, YouTube marketing, Google search engine optimization backlinks. Each tool provides prepared marketing assets so store owners can promote their products without creating everything from scratch. Promo videos. The Promo Videos section provides ready-made video content for promoting products. In Ad Promo Videos, you can choose video packs organized by categories such as bestsellers or seasonal offers. After purchasing a pack, it appears in your promo videos, where you can download videos, captions, and hashtags for social media posting. Sales channels. The Sales Channels section allows you to expand beyond your main store. Currently, the primary integration available is Amazon, which allows products to be listed on Amazon Marketplace. A future integration called Offerall is also planned. Multi-channel selling helps reach customers across multiple platforms rather than relying on one website. Rewards and bonuses. Next is the Rewards and Bonuses section. This area rewards store owners as their business grows. It includes two subsections: membership benefits and My Rewards and Bonuses. Membership benefits. The membership benefits explains how the Sellvia Rewards membership program works. Your level is based on your store's 30-day sales revenue and automatically upgrades as sales grow. The program includes 4 levels: Basic, Silver, Gold, and Premium, each level unlocking additional rewards and benefits. My Rewards and Bonuses. My Rewards and Bonuses shows your current membership level and available rewards. Here you can claim things like coupons, product packs, and other bonuses unlocked as your store grows and grows. Learn. The Learn section contains educational resources that help store owners understand online business and Sellvia. This includes Discover expert video lessons, insiders' real experiences from other sellers, success stories, interviews and case studies, Academy, structured training modules, courses, in-depth educational programs, guides, downloadable step-by-step instructions. These resources help users continue learning and improving their stores. My Store. The My Store section focuses on your store's settings and overall design. Here you can manage several important parts of your store. Domain. This is where you connect and manage your store's domain name. You can check your current domain, review protection options, and explore suggested domain ideas if you want to change or upgrade it. Themes. The Themes section allows you to change the visual appearance of your store. You can choose from different seasonal, niche, or campaign-based themes to match your brand and keep the store design always fresh. Exclusive themes. Here you can access advanced design options. You can customize the store layout, colors, fonts, and other visual elements, or just select ready-made premium designs. Business Upgrade. This option upgrades the store into a more advanced business setup with a stronger branding and growth potential. It includes a unique store design, exclusive products, and promotional articles to increase visibility. Overall, My Store section allows you to customize how your store looks and operates, helping you create a better experience for your customers. Support. If help is needed, the Support section provides 2 options. You can contact a business advisor for guidance on running and growing your store, or reach out to 24/7 technical support for system-related issues. My Account. Finally, the My Account section contains account-level information. Here you can review account balance, billing history, payouts, active plans. This section helps track the financial and administrative side of the business. And that's a full walkthrough of the Sellvia Dashboard. Each section plays a specific role, from managing products and orders to launching marketing campaigns and analyzing performance. Once you understand how these areas connect with each other, the dashboard becomes a powerful tool for running and growing your online business. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Sellvia!